Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all towards the second lecture of present tense. As we have discussed the present indefinite tense in the previous lecture, today we shall discuss present continuous tense. Now, let's start with the continuous tense. First of all, I would like to define that what is continuous tense. When an action is mentioned as still going on is called continuous tense. For example, the engine is running fast. Ali is working diligently. Sabah is reading a novel. We are enjoying this trip. Let's move to its identification. Before moving to its affirmative category, I would like to tell its Urdu identification, that is raha hai, rahe hain, rahi hai. Now, let's move to its affirmative category. Its rule will be subject with is, am, are, with fourth form of verb and object. I hope you all must have read its correct use of helping verb with correct subject. Like, is is used with all singular subjects, are is used with all plural subjects, and an is used only with I. For example, I am going to market. Alina is sewing the clothes. They are telling the truth. Our next category under discussion is negative. As in negative sentence, there is a negation with the addition of word not. Here is the rule described in front of you, that is subject is, am, are with the addition of not plus fourth form of verb and object. For example, we are not writing a letter. She is not giving a gift. The teacher is not teaching the students. Here is the last category of present continuous tense, that is interrogative. As students, I already told you before that some questions start with helping verb and some questions start with WH word. Now, let's focus on its helping verb. Its rule with helping verb will be is, am, are with subject, fourth form of verb and object. For example, is he making a beautiful picture? Question mark. Am I helping the poor people? Now, let's discuss its WH interrogative type. Its rule will be WH word with is, am, are with the addition of subject with fourth form of verb and object. For example, why is he going to school? When are they leaving for airport? But students, be very particular about its sequence. Students, as I had already told you that solved exercises are solved on your grammar book, let's discuss the unsolved exercise of present continuous tense together. So be attentive and be active. This exercise belongs to its affirmative category. Sentence number 1 is Bunda bandi ho rahi hai. Now, the meaning of bunda bandi is drizzling. It is drizzling. Number 2, कुआं चल रहा है. कुआं, Persian wheel. The Persian wheel is working. Number 3, मैं इस वक्त आराम कर रहा हूं. आराम करना, taking rest. I am taking rest at this time. Number 4, चूल्हे से धुआं उठ रहा है. Now, the English of चूल्हे is hearth. धुआं, smoke. The smoke is rising from the hearth. नंबर 5, हम पुराने सिक्के जमा कर रहे हैं. पुराने सिक्के, old coins. We are collecting old coins. नंबर 6, मुझे चक्कर आ रहे हैं. चक्कर आना, dizzy. I am feeling dizzy. नंबर 7, आप अपने दोस्त को अलविदा कह रहे हैं. अलविदा, goodbye. So you are saying goodbye to your friend. नंबर 8, वो दरिया में गोता लगा रहा है. The meaning of गोता is diving. He is diving into the river. नंबर 9, बच्चे शोर मचा रहे हैं. The children are making noise. नंबर 10, अकबर गंदुम काट रहा है. अकबर is harvesting wheat. नंबर 11, औरत दूध उबाल रही है. Of course, you must be knowing the meaning of ubal. Boiling. The woman is boiling milk. नंबर 12, तलबा स्कूल सजा रहे हैं. सजा रहे, decorating. The students are decorating the school. नंबर 13, वो मुझे मिलने आ रहा है. मुझे मिलने आ रहा है. He is coming to see me. नंबर 14, हुकूमत नए स्कूल खोल रही है. हुकूमत, गवर्नमेंट. The government is opening new schools. नंबर 15, पाकिस्तान दिन दुगनी रात चौगुनी तरक्की कर रहा है. Its English will be Pakistan is making progress by leaps and bounds. दिन दुगनी रात चौगुनी means by leaps and bounds. Now let's switch to its second unsolved exercise, which is truly based on its negative category. As the sentence number 1 is, आप मुझे अपना पता नहीं बता रहे हैं. पता, address. You are not telling me your address. Number 2, वो जुलूस की क़ियादत नहीं कर रहा है. क़ियादत, leading. And the meaning of julus is procession. He is not leading the procession. Number 3, गवर्नर जलसे की सदारत नहीं कर रहा है. सदारत, presiding. Governor is not presiding over the meeting. Number 4, वो दयानतदारी से काम नहीं कर रहा है. दयानतदारी, honestly. He is not working honestly. Number 5, तुम मेरी राय पर नुक्ताचीनी नहीं कर रहे हो. नुक्ताचीनी, the meaning is criticizing. राय, opinion. You are not criticizing my opinion. Number 6, ये अफसर अपने फराइज से गफलत नहीं बरत रहा है. गफलत, neglecting. Faraid, duties. So its English will be, this officer is not neglecting his duties. Number 7, मजदूर काम से जी चुरा रहे हैं. जी चुराना, shirking work. The laborers are not shirking work. Number 8, हम फूल नहीं सूंघ रहे हैं. Of course, the meaning of सूंघना is smelling. We are not smelling the flowers. Number 9, लड़कियां जमात में ऊँग नहीं रही हैं. Now, the meaning of ऊँग is dozing. The girls are not dozing in the class. Number 10, वो अपने गुनाह पर शर्मिंदा नहीं हो रहा है. शर्मिंदा, ashamed of. गुनाह, his sin. Means, he is not feeling ashamed of his sin. Number 11, बावर्ची खाना नहीं पका रहा है. Here the meaning of बावर्ची is cook. The cook is not cooking meal. Number 12. अमजद कपड़े नहीं बदल रहा है. अमजद is not changing his clothes. Number 13. लड़के गन्ने का रस नहीं पी रहे हैं. गन्ने का रस sugar cane juice. The boys are not drinking sugar cane juice. Number 14. औरत मदद के लिए नहीं पुकार रही है. The woman is not calling for help. Number 15. औरत चक्की नहीं चला रही है. Now, the meaning of चक्की is grinding stone. The woman is not working on grinding stone. Here comes the last unsolved exercise number 3, which is truly based on its interrogative type. Let's see its first sentence. क्या चांद निकल रहा है? निकल रहा, appearing. Is the moon appearing? Question mark. Number 2. क्या बुरे लड़के बसों पर पत्थर फेंक रहे हैं? Are the bad boys throwing stones at the buses? Number 3. क्या मजदूर मिट्टी खोद रहे हैं? खोदना, digging. Are the laborers digging earth? Number 4. तुम अपना मकान क्यों बेच रहे हो? बेचना, selling. Why are you selling your house? Number 5. क्या बशीर नया मोटरसाइकिल खरीद रहा है? Is Bashir buying a new motorcycle? Number 6. औरतें कपड़े कहाँ धो रही हैं? Where are the women washing clothes? Number 7. कितने आदमी इस कारोबार में शरीक हो रहे हैं? शरीक होना, sharing. How many men are sharing this business? Number 8. तुम बैंक से कितना रुपया निकलवा रहे हो? रुपया निकलवाना, withdrawing. How much money are you withdrawing from the bank? Number 9. मुझे रात के खाने पर कौन दावत दे रहा है? Who is inviting me to dinner? Number 10. बेचारे पनाहगुज़ीन कहाँ जा रहे हैं? पनाहगुज़ीन, refugees. बेचारे, poor. Where are the poor refugees going? Number 11. क्या दुकानदार ग्राहक से ज्यादा पैसे वसूल कर रहा है? ज्यादा पैसे वसूल करना, overcharging. Is the shopkeeper overcharging the customer? Number 12. तुम किसका पैगाम लेकर जा रहे हो? Whose message are you carrying? Number 13. ठेकेदार कब से काम शुरू कर रहा है? ठेकेदार, contractor. When is the contractor starting the work? Second last is दरवाजा कौन खटखटा रहा है? Who is knocking at the door? Number 15 and last is तुम कौन सा रसाला पढ़ रहे हो? Which magazine are you reading? Students, I truly expect that you have got the idea and concept of present continuous tense. Now, it's the time to assign you a task. As it is displayed in front of you, that you are going to learn all the solved and unsolved exercises of present continuous tense properly from the notes provided you at your home. Thank you.